In this video, I'll show you how to transfer any of your web apps from Base44 to Google AI Studio. To get started, click on the first link in the description, which will take you straight to the official Base44 website. Click Build Now, enter your credentials, and create a completely new account. This will ensure you get 25 credits absolutely free so you can start creating your web app. Once you create your web app, scroll down to see all your apps in the Recent Apps section. Open any app you want to transfer to Google AI Studio. I'll open my app called FinPulse in a new tab. This is a finance app that allows us to track expenses and categorize them into different categories. To transfer this app, the first step is to download the code files. Click on the code option at the top and you'll see all the code files. On the right side, click Export Project as zip, then click Download Zip. A zip file containing your code files will be downloaded. Now go to Google AI Studio. Once you're there, enter any random prompt. I'll type ABC GRE, then click Build and wait a few seconds. After a moment, cancel the generation by clicking the Cancel button. Then go to the Code section at the top, click the plus icon, and select Upload Zip File. Upload the zip file you just downloaded from Base44. Once uploaded, enter a prompt like, I have uploaded a zip file that contains all the code for a website. I want you to generate a preview for all of those code files. Click Enter and wait for Gemini to create a preview. You might encounter an error the first time, where it says it couldn't find the zip file in the project directory. To fix this, click the plus icon again, select Upload Zip File, and re-upload your zip file. Once uploaded, select the .env example file, click Delete and Confirm. Then select the Git Ignore file, click Delete and Confirm. Enter the same prompt again and press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, you'll notice that all the uploaded files have been detected. It shows Manual Edit with approximately 87 files edited. These are all the files from our zip folder. Give Gemini some time to work on creating a preview. Gemini has completed its work. It says, I have successfully prepared the website code preview for the FinTrack application. Click on the Preview option, and here we have the entire preview of our web app. It looks very similar to what we had on Base44. The only difference is that it hasn't included the sample values that Base44 had generated inside the web app. However, the interface and overall functionality are nearly identical. If Gemini reports any errors while running the code, click the Fix option and let Gemini resolve all errors to ensure the web app runs smoothly. Testing the app. Going to the Expenses section and clicking Add Expense. Every button works correctly. Going to Categories and clicking Add Category lets you add a new category. Comparing this with the Base44 app, the functionality is completely similar. The entire web app is identical, with the only difference being the absence of sample expenses that were already added in Base44. Now you can continue adding features to this web app inside Google AI Studio by simply prompting it to make the changes you want and keep building from there. That's how you transfer any web app from Base44 to Google AI Studio. If you want to know how to get free credits on Base44, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.